and welcome yet again to my channel. And with all the positivity around you, around me, let's thank you and pay gratitude to all the spirit angels, our guides, our power animals, our allies around us who may always help and guide us in every way possible and always be with us. And let's moving forward. This video is I'm doing a reading in this video which is not time specific. This video this reading is also not sign specific. This reading is for anyone who's watching this channel right now, and if you are a new viewer to this channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, press the bell icon for further notifications as to whenever I'll upload a video, you will get a notification. And if this is the time you are watching this video was meant for you to watch it right now. So please do see the video, and if it resonates with you, do write in the comment sections below. Okay, let's see. Love and support and miracles in everyone's life. A general reading to whosoever is watching this right now. May we all be blessed. Okay, let's see what all is going on in your life and how you can improve it. Right. You are a very, polished person, a very sophisticated person who really know how to enjoy life, who has all the pleasures of life easily available to him or her. And so this means, in other ways, you can say that you are a very resourceful person in whatever area you want to enter into. For that area, you know how to use your resources. You are very well aware of your privileges. You very well know your strong points and your weak points. And in this way, it's very good as you know how to move in a proper direction. You know, this is my limit, these are my limitations, I may or may not cross this. So this is a very, very strong part of you, as you know how to move forward and how much to move forward. And this is the high time, now I need to take my one step back. So your abilities, your talents, you are very well aware of. You are very well aware of the resources that you have been provided with. Use it very, very wisely. Next way, what is the way in which you can connect to yourself in order to reach that goal, in order to reach that enterprise is, all right, you need to, you have the resources, and you need to understand that framework in a more experienced way. You need to understand that you need to talk to experienced people, you need to talk to wise people of that area in order to move forward in that line. Furthermore, this universe, it doesn't understand any language, it only responds to frequencies. So whatever frequency you are going to emit out, the universe is going to exactly give you answer in the same frequency. So you need to manifest a stronger frequency, you need to conceive and manifest a very, very solid approach for your goal, and then you need out to send those energy signals, those frequency signals to the universe. Then only the universe is going to plan out the people, the networking, the events, the situations are going to work out in your favor so that you can reach your goal. Then you can look for inspirations. You can look for inspirations in people around you. You can look for inspirations in your same work field. You can look for inspirations in the people who are around you, the network, the area. You already have everything in your hand. There is no need of you to go around and look in new places. People who are known to you, you will be surprised to see that they are amongst you. and you should just open up yourself. They are there to guide you, they are going to help you out. This is the place you can look for the inspirations, this is where you can work for. Then all right, you are thinking that if you step out, if you step out of your comfort zone, you may not reach your goals, and you are feeling scared of loss, you are feeling scared that you may face the defeat, you are feeling scared for yourself, you are feeling scared for those who are around you. All right, so this is the thing that is stopping you, the obstacle which is coming out in your path. You have to face your fears, you have to overcome those obstacles if you want to reach that goal. So in order to achieve that goal, you have to face your fears, you have to face yourself. This is the first step, and the first step is always the toughest. You have to do it, you have to face everything. Moving forward, a special gift that you have received, a special talent that you have, you need to use it in your favor. You need to use this to work for you. You need to utilize your special talents, and what talent you were born with. You are a very, very easily satisfied person. This is your talent, and you kind of understand the situation, you kind of understand the circumstances through which you are going, and likewise you adjust yourself, you are flexible. This is your biggest talent, so you need to use this in your favor, you need to work this in your favor. Whatever resources you have, whatever goals you need to achieve, you need to tell this to the universe, you need to look for inspirations around you in your workplace, and you use your talent of flexibility, use your talent of adjustability to make your way through the hard waters or hard rocks. All right, then let's see. All right, see the your final card, very, very positive card. If you are going to use, if you are going to incorporate this way of thinking, this thought process in your routine, in your work life, in your personal life, you are going to get all the gain, whatever you wish for. You are all going to achieve a prosperous and happy life. You are going to reach that pinnacle of success in your emotional, mental, financial, health, whatever area you want to work for. Your all endeavors will be met. Please look forward to it. And if you need any further guidance, if you need any further more insight on any topic of your life, you may need any more further queries, you want to make any suggestions, please feel free to write in the comment section below. And if this reading resonated with you in any way, in this part, or your talents part, or if you want any more guidance, how to connect to yourself, how to reach out to yourself, how is it able to use your gifts in to work in favor of yourself, please do reach out to me. I'll be very much happy to help. And here's wishing a very happy and healthy and prosperous life to all. God bless, and best of luck and good wishes.